Another video here at subhashna.com. This is about web programming essentials, and this is another video where we show how to use CodePen. In this one, we are going to show how we built our CodePen template that we are using in all our tutorials. So this is how it looks. You see this? This is our template. So this is our template, and how does it look? Let me bring that window here. So that is how it looks. This is our template. Now what we have done here in this template is it uses Bootstrap. So you can see here it uses Bootstrap. And the reason is whatever code we build, now this is just a simple hello world code, and you can see it looks pretty nice. It is mobile optimized, so as we start building our tutorial, explain new topics and all that, we want the example code to look nice. Now if we don't use Bootstrap, it will probably look something like this. Let me just show that as well. So if I go to my dashboard and see, this is without Bootstrap. So this is how it would look without Bootstrap. So any delay in loading the CodePen, it's nothing to do with my internet. It's sometimes CodePen is a little slow. I've noticed it many times. So there you go. Now this is a basic HTML. So let me actually open that in the browser here. Come on, buddy, load it up. Oops, sorry. Okay, now this is how this looks. Let me put them side by side just to give you an idea how this actually looks. So this is our Bootstrap enabled CodePen, and this is the one without Bootstrap. It's loading. Let it load. So let me pull it out of the window here. So there you go. Now this is without Bootstrap on the right side here. It's still loading. Again, like I said, CodePen can be slow sometimes. We'll give it some time. Now there you go. So see how nice this one looks, and see how not so nice the one on the right side looks. Now they're both used for hello world. Here I'm just typing hello world, and here I'm just typing some how are brother and I'm good and something like that. So originally I thought I'll use this on the right side as my template for our tutorials, but then I thought, no, that doesn't look that good, man. So then what I did, I went ahead and used Bootstrap, and I came up with this. So this one looks better, the one on the left side. This looks much better. So this is what I'm going to do. So in this video we will show how to use CodePen. I think we already did a couple of videos on that, but more importantly we'll show how we built this template using online resources, of course, and how we added this to our collection, and how we made it a template so that we can reuse this every time. So let's do that. So let's go back to my main dashboard here in CodePen. Okay, so now this is our collection. This is where you'll find it. Now let's start by creating a new pen. So I'm going to say create a new pen. Now of course I already have a template here. Now that is a template, which is this one. Now I don't want to create a template from a template. I want to show how we created this template. So let's start by creating an empty pen. Right, this is a empty pen, so I'm just going to call it template demo. What is the date today? It's May 1st. Okay, that's what I'm going to call it. Now first thing is I want to include Bootstrap. Now there are many ways of including Bootstrap, but the one we'll do is here. So let me go to bootstrap.com. I'm already here, so I'm going to go to bootstrap.com. Let me do that. Okay, now here what I want to do is I want to go to get started, and it shows many ways in which you can include Bootstrap. Now what I'll do here is, now they have given something called as a starter template right here, so I'm going to copy this, go to my template I'm trying to build, and then I'm going to paste it. And once this is done, I'll get a small error in CodePen. Now what I found out was it comes because of this. See, the thing is, in CodePen, whatever put here is already HTML. Now the whole point of writing this line is to inform the browser that you are about to put HTML. But in CodePen, we are already in the HTML box. So we'll delete this, and that will make that error go away. See, that's gone now. Now what I want is, now this is good. That's it. That's it. Bootstrap is now included. So if I were to go ahead and let me just save this. Okay, not here. Normally it takes 30 seconds for CodePen to actually save something. So let's go ahead and wait for it to do that. So it'll save this pen as private. It's okay. A private pen doesn't mean other people can't see it. It just means that it's not indexed. Okay, so now I already have Bootstrap running. Now this is not what I really want. What I want is this. And this is what I want. Now right now it doesn't look like that. So I also want this bottom footer and so on. So now what I did was, then I went back to Bootstrap, and they have a lot of examples. Now here there are so many examples which are ready to use. So now what I wanted is this. Yeah, there you go. So I'll go to sticky footer. Now this is very important, because once you start using Bootstrap in your projects, a lot of times whatever Outlook or whatever layout you want to use, it's already available, so that it'll save you a lot of time. So I want to use this. So I'll right click and I'll say view page source. So this is the source. Now please remember, we don't need the whole thing. We just want some parts of it. That's it. Okay. Now what I want is, now I only want the body part. So here's the body, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this entire body from here to here and paste it in my code, and I will get this appearance. But wait a minute, the body here and the body that we already have here, now let me make this a little bigger, is a little different, because we are using these scripts which does not exist in this example. So what I'll do is, I'll not take till here, but I'll only take this much, because this is the part that contains what I want. So I'll copy this much and I'll go to here, and now please notice that this bottom part, we need it. So we'll start here and then we will paste this, and I'll try to save this. Okay, it's saving, and there we go. You see that? Now I want to make it look exactly like what I have. Now I wanted to make the, now if you look at our example code again, let's go back here. Now I have something called for more tutorials and training, please visit blah blah blah. I have so many things. So these things I had to type, but if you notice, I was able to do it by using these things. I just recycled this and put them in the footer. So instead of having to type those things again, let me just copy it from my template which I already have. So I'll go here, I'll go to my CodePen again, as always. CodePen is a little slow, even though I have the pro plan and everything. Yes. So now here what I want is, I want these paragraphs and tags. That's all I want. So what I'll do here is, I'm gonna go ahead and take this footer that I've already built previously and put that here. Now please note that I'm not copying the whole thing. I just want the footer part. So I don't want the whole thing. I just want my sentences, which are nothing but paragraphs and A tags. I'm not copying anything else. So I'll take this from here and I'll put that inside the footer in this div. Now once I do it, I'll save it again, wait for the pen to get saved, and if I scroll down, and there you go, that's my footer. I also have a line. If you look here, I have put a line. Where is that? Yeah, if you look at here, I have a small line here. That is that, but nothing but a horizontal tag. So I'll go here and I'll type HR. Wait a second, the horizontal tag won't come here, so I think I'll have to put this outside the footer. Okay, it's not coming there either. Now this is weird because I'm using the same HR tag here and it is coming. So I'm not really sure why that is not coming. Like I said, sometimes I think the line is coming at the bottom. Is this the line? Wait a second. One minute. Yeah, the line was coming after. So let me just put it again. Let me try this again for a. Oh, sorry. It's my mistake. I was putting it in the wrong place. So again, CodePen can be pretty unreliable. Oh, there it is. Yeah, so there you go. I have the horizontal line. So at the top, you can write whatever you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. So now if I go ahead and open this, so this is the which I just built live on this video, and then when I compare this to what I have here, there you go, that's it. This is how I was able to build in CodePen using Bootstrap, using ready-made code. Now this is something very important because as you do your programming, a lot of times what you want is already done for you, and most of this code is free and open source, so you can use it in your projects. So now the CodePen has the appearance I want. Now what I want to do is I want to make it a template. So let me go back to my CodePen here. Close this, come back, and here what I'll do is I'm going to go ahead and go to settings. So here you have a lot of options. Okay, so if you want, you can add a description. You can check your privacy. Now this is only available if you're in the pro plan like I am. So this pen is private right now. I don't really care because I'm going to delete this right away. Now the main thing is you go to template. Now template, once you turn it on, that's it. This becomes a template. After this, you save and close. Now if I go back to my dashboard and check my project templates, I should have two. Let's see. You know, this is again, like I said, I have to keep complaining about CodePen because see, some things just don't work. I don't know why. Yeah, there you go. See the template we just created a minute ago. Now I don't really need this, so what I'll do here is I'm gonna go to my pens, and I don't want this, so I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. Okay, and if I reload this in the under the pen where it says templates, the template that I just built just for this tutorial should be gone. Gonna wait for CodePen to reload. I have a feeling that CodePen might be a little overwhelmed. A lot of people might be using it online, especially during the virus-related slowdown. So that's why it's not working sometimes. So let me reload it again. Yeah, there you go. Template we created, we just deleted it, and it's over. So that is how you can create a template in CodePen so that you can reuse it in your other projects. So thank you so much and have a good day.